One question I get over and over again is how to mix interior design styles. In design, we can mix the styles that identify us to find our own creative expression and to design a home that reflects our personality. In this video, I will share with you 5 tips to ensure that you mix the style in a cohesive way. I will provide ideas, rules, tips, examples, and so on to design your space like a pro. Hi guys, welcome back to D.Signers. I'm Zahira Kuri, architect and interior designer, founder of D.Signers. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos and to be part of this channel and community. On my Identify Your Design Style video, many of you expressed that you identify with more than one design style. Others asked me how to mix the different styles of 2 people in the same space. It's true that each of us is different. We are a mixture of styles due to our culture, taste, age, and so on. Mixing styles is an excellent way to create spaces that represent the personalities of those who live there. You can draw inspiration from different styles and merge their charms in your own personal heaven. I want to present to you some examples and design boards that I have created so we can visualize some of the most popular styles mixed. Let me know in a comment below which styles identify your personality. Once you're clear on which are your favorites, let's see these 5 tips to mix them in a cohesive way. For a space to be aesthetically pleasing, when it comes to mixing styles, you need to make sure that those styles you are using end up working together instead of confronting each other. To do this, you must assign each one a definitive role in the design and seek balance and harmony between them, using the basic principles of design. When combining styles, aim for balance using the 80-20 rule. The 80% should be the dominant style. It should be the style you identify with more strongly. This will be your main focus and will have influence over your choice in the most important and general aspects of the space. Use the dominant style to guide your decisions about your color palette, larger furniture, flooring, and so on. The 20% makes up for the secondary style you lean towards. Accent items like statement pieces of furniture, bold lighting fixtures, and eye-catching wall art are all excellent choices to fill this role. This way, you will be able to create a balanced but unique environment where all styles can shine. Let's see some examples on how this rule works. Color is the biggest unifier, so using a cohesive color scheme can make nearly any shape or style go together. So start by defining your color palette. Evaluate the styles to unify a palette that contains the essence of both styles. But remember that the predominant style prevails over the secondary one. Let's see an example on how to create a color palette starting from two different styles. A good tip is to keep the general space neutral, to allow the standout item to really make an impact and add a splash of colors through focal pieces. Every room should include design elements that have common threads, to pull them together and make the space cohesive. When introducing two or more different styles, you need to create a cohesive look and visual balance in your space. Therefore, you need to find a common link between different pieces and use them to connect them. Colors, textures, or shapes are typically the most effective ways to link pieces in different styles. For example, you can introduce an armchair in a bright color to your dining room, and then use the same hue for accent details such as cushions, artwork, vases, and so on. This link will make your eyes flow in the space, making you connect the similar elements through the space, perceiving a cohesive and unified room. This is a design principle known as rhythm, and we can obtain it through the repetition of elements. When there is a lot going on in a room, this kind of repetition is essential for achieving a sense of cohesion. So link both styles with some accent color, materials, patterns, or some unique shape. Use the 20% of the secondary style to create focal points. Sometimes even a single detail in a different style can completely change the feel of a space and work as a truly stunning focal point. For instance, if your living room features 80% of a contemporary style and 20% traditional, a stylish classic mirror frame design will give your room a timeless appeal and work as a mesmerizing decor statement. The classic mirror frame comes into focus and gives your space a truly authentic flair. Select bold pieces that characterize the secondary style and create an interesting and balanced design that represents the best of both sides. Balance is key when mixing decor styles. The style you choose for a room should be distributed throughout the space. Don't concentrate a style in a specific area. Make sure that both styles mix equally in the whole space. Make sure that 20% of the secondary style blends with 80% of the dominant style. Don't segregate different styles in one room. Use it in this ratio throughout the whole space to make a perfect blend. I hope these tips are helpful for you to compose the hybrid style that identify your personality. If you liked this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe to join our design community. Follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and to get in touch. Have a beautiful week. See you next time.